We're now looking at 3612, which is all to do with malicious code. And the question is, computer viruses, trojans, adware and spyware are different types of malware, which means malicious software. Describe the similarities and differences between these different types of malware. Your answer should also describe the measures used, describe the measures that can be taken to reduce the risk from these malware. So, you've got to be really, really careful not to spend ages and ages writing down what these, or defining what these actually are and what they do, because it's specifically asking for the similarities and the differences. So you will end up describing what these are doing while you're answering that question, but don't make that your focus when you're doing the answer. This is worth 9 marks, so this is a lot of marks. This is one of these big long questions that's near the end of the paper, and you've got to make sure that you're really being specific and clear with your similarities and your differences. So it does help to plan your answer out again, and you might just want to list some similarities, and it might not be a similarity between all 4 of them. It might be a similarity between 2 of them or 3 of them, so bear that in mind as well. So the similarities between all of them is that so all types of malware are disruptive for the user, and that is a similarity between all of them. You've then got trojans and spyware. Now, the similarities between those two is that you'll probably end up downloading them without realizing, because they'll be attached to another application. So trojans and spyware, because they are often attached to software you download. Okay, so there's another similarity. Can't think of any more similarities at the moment, so I'm going to move on to differences. Okay, so differences. Computer viruses spread through a network quickly. Adware doesn't cause harm, it is just disruptive. How many I've got now? I've got 4 at the minute. Spyware tracks your movements on the computer. The others don't. A similarity. Viruses and trojans corrupt files and cause serious damage. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points now. So I'm still looking for some more points to make, and it says here your answer should describe the measures that can be taken to reduce the risks from these malware. So the specific measures that you can take here. So again, I've got measures. I'm just going to write it up here because I'm running out of room now. So measures would be antivirus software, updates, check source before downloading. Whoops. So if I was to plan this out now, I would write an opening sentence. So it says computer viruses, trojans, adware and spyware are different types of malware. Describe the similarities and differences between these different. So I might say there are many similarities between these types of malware, and then I would list them using my notes on the side. There are also some differences, and then I would list those from my notes, and then I just have to protect yourself from malware you can, and then I'd list my measures as well, and that's it.